carbon monoxide study will reach over 35,000 homes in Liverpool and in Coventry, utilising fire and rescue service teams visiting homes to assess how widespread the problem is. We hope that the information gathered during this phase will help inform other key stakeholders such as the Health and Safety Executive, the Health Protection Agency, local authorities and fire and rescue services in addressing this crucial community safety issue. Merseyside Fire and Rescue Service, along with our partner Coventry City Council, are pleased to be part of this unique study. We recognise the importance of gathering data to help inform industry and other partners of the CO problem that exists within our communities. Each year, many people lose their lives unnecessarily to this danger, and we think that doing this study can influence and shape policymakers' ideas on how they address this going forward.
Let's hear from an acknowledged expert, Tony Brunton. He is the chairman of the Gas Industry Liaison Group that advises government. He is the chairman of the Association of Registered Gas Installers. He is a fellow and past president of the Chartered Institute of Plumbing and Heating Engineers, and he is also the chairman of the Board of Trustees of CO Awareness.
So we've heard Lynn's story, but what was the real culprit? What was the cause of all the suffering of her and her family? Well, we know now it was carbon monoxide. And carbon monoxide is a gas. It's produced when we burn fuel without enough air to burn it properly. And unfortunately, we can't see it, we can't taste it, we can't smell it, so we don't even really know it's there. And it's very difficult to be able to say for certain that we've got carbon monoxide, so we take one or two steps to make sure that we know that something's going off. If we walk into a room and we see black stains up the wall, or we see yellow flames, something just not right, we know that something needs to be done about it. But there is one other step that we can take as well to make sure that we know, and that is to buy a CO alarm. Now, if you do buy a CO alarm, please read the instructions that come with it. These instructions will tell you how to use it, where to sight it, and what is most important, how to test it. Because exactly the same as with your appliances, not only do you need to service your appliances and make sure they're working properly, you have to test your alarm and make sure it's working properly. But if you do think that something's wrong, then take steps to ensure your safety. Get out of the property and switch everything off. Look after yourself and make sure that carbon monoxide does not poison you.